Your business is failing. Investors back out. You're drowning in debt. And then, a stranger hands you a check for $500,000. What would you do? A businessman sits on a park bench, defeated. His last investor pulled out. Employees are losing faith. Creditors won't stop calling. His dream slipping away. An old man sits beside him. He listens, nods, then reaches into his coat and pulls out a check.
$500,000. Take it. Meet me here in a year and pay me back if you can.
The businessman stares. Is this real? Before he can react, the old man is gone. For the first time in months, something shifts inside him. He doesn't cash the check, but suddenly, he believes. If a millionaire believes in me, why don't I? With renewed confidence, he takes action. Smarter decisions, bolder risks. He turns his business around. 1 year later, debt-free and thriving, he rushes back to the park to repay the man. But he's not there. Instead, a nurse approaches.
Oh, him? He's not a millionaire. He's a patient from the mental hospital nearby. He hands out fake checks all the time.
The businessman looks down at the check. It was never real. And then it hits him. It was never about the money. It was about who he became when he believed he had it. Your mindset is your greatest asset. Reinvent how you see yourself, and your reality will follow. If you're ready to reinvent yourself, hit that subscribe button. Your future self will thank you.